Hello childrens, today we will see the next part of the lesson, that is direct proportion and inverse proportion. Under this we seen the two examples of partnership in last lecture, and today we will continue the same, that is the partnership, and it's the next two solved example that we will see today. Okay, so Jalam and Atharvas, this example we seen it, and Chinmay and Sam, this example also we seen. Now today we will see the example number 3, that is Abdul, Sejal, Soham each gave Saili 30 rupees. How many rupees they gave? That is 30 rupees. Saili means Abdul gave how many rupees? 30 rupees. Sejal gave 70 rupees. And Soham gave 50 rupees to Saili. Then Saili put 150 rupees and brought papers. Okay, so Saili's investment inside it is the 150 rupees, and then she brought paper and colors from this, and together they make the greeting cards. Okay, then Abdul, Sejal, Soham and Saili, they all makes the greeting card and then they sold it. Okay, so in this transaction inside, or in this inside, if they made a total profit, how many rupees profit they made? 420 rupees profit they made. And what was the each one's share in the profit? So as I told you before only, how is the share of investment? The same they will get the share of the profit also. Okay, so first of all, in this example inside, we have to find out the total capital. Here capital word they use for the total investment. So the capital invested by 4 all is equals to, see here, 70 plus 30 is equals to 100, 100 plus 50, 150, and 150 plus 150 is equals to 300 rupees. So total capital or total investment is equals to 300 rupees. Then of this, Saili had invested 150 rupees, means 50% 50% investment. In this, it is whose Saili's investment is there, and remaining 50% inside, 3 are there, who? Sejal, Abdul and the Soham. These 3 invested inside the 50%. So in this inside also, means profit inside also, 50% means 420 is 50% is 210 is the profit of who? That is the Saili's profit, and remaining 210 inside Saili, Abdul, Sejal and Soham, they will get the profit. Okay, so how is the profit share of these 3? That we will see now. So first of all, here it is written that the capital invested by 4 all was 300 rupees. How much? 300 rupees. Of this, just now I told you that Saili had invested 150 rupees. That is half of the capital. 300's half is the 150 rupees. So 150 rupees is the investment of the Saili. That is the half of the total capital. Then the total profit, how much it was? That is the 420. So profits half, that is 210. Who will get? That is Saili, she will get. Now the remaining 210 was shared by Abdul, Sejal and Soham. Okay, in this way we have to write. Then here how is the share, that we will see now. So first of all, the Abdul, Sejal and Soham. Abdul invested 30 rupees. Sejal invested 70 rupees and Soham invested 50 rupees. Okay, so here 30, 70 and 50, the proportion is the 30 is to 70 is to 50. So if we solve this 30, 70 and 50, these all 3 numbers are divisible by 10. So 10 3s are 30, 10 7s are 70 and 10 5s are 50. 3 is to 7 is to 5 is the investment share, proportion of investment. Okay, so according to this, Abdul's investment is 3, investment ratio is 3, Sejal 7 and Soham's 5. Okay, so as we know that we have to take constant, 3 is to 7 is to 5 is to 7 is to Fine. So we have to take one constant, that is x. If we are taking here in textbook k taken, but if I will take x here, 3x plus 7x plus 5x is equal to how much? 210 rupees, because 210 rupees, that is 50% profit, was the Sily's profit, and remaining 50% profit inside these three are there. So first of all add this. So 3x plus 7x plus 5x is equal to how much? That is 15x is equal to 2010. So x is equals to 210 upon 15. So 15 ones are 15. Remains how much? 6. And 15 fours are 60. So x is equals to how much? 14. And then according to this, if we once we find the value of x, the each profit share we can find very easily. So here we got the investment, that is the x value, that is a constant. Here the k taken, I took over there x. So k is equal to how much? 14. Now we have to find out each one's share. So the share of Abdul's profit is equals to 3x. 3x is equal to 3 into 14. So 14 3s are 42 rupees. Then Sejal's profit is equal to 7x is equal to 7 into 14. 14 7s are 98. Then Soham's profit is equal to 5x is equal to 5 into 14 is equal to 70 rupees. So in this way, how is the share of investment or proportion of share? In that proportion only the Abdul, Sejal, Soham and Sily will get their share of profit also. So in this way we have to solve this example. Then after this example, the last solved example is the which Sarita Ben, Aisha and Meenakshi. Sarita Ben, Aisha and Meenakshi started a business by investing how many rupees? 2400 means 2400, then 5200 and 3400 rupees. The meaning of it is rupees. Sarita Ben's investment is the 2400. Aisha's investment is the 5200 and Meenakshi's investment is the 3400 rupees. Now what they told you here, they made a profit. Then how much profit they made? That is 50% profit they made. Okay. So first of all we have to find out the total capital or the total investment of Sarita Ben, Aisha and Meenakshi in this business. So how should they share it? So we have to find out, as earlier example, how the profit share was we find. Same way we have to find out the profit share also in this business. Okay, in between this Sarita Ben, Aisha and Meenakshi inside, how they will share the profit, that we are going to see. So, and again we have to find out how much is the share of it, and if they invest all their profit, again if they invest all their profit to the capital, what will each one's share be following year. So share of next year's investment share also we have to find out. So first of all, total capital is equals to capital of Sarita Ben, investment of Sarita Ben, Aisha's investment and Meenakshi's investment is equals to 2400 plus 5200 plus 3400 is equals to how much it is? That is 11,000 rupees. Okay, as here they told you, that is 50% profit they got. So here 11,000's 50% is equals to 11,000 into 50 upon 100, and 0 get cancels with this 0. So 110 into 50 is equal to 5,500 is the profit. Okay, so according to the profit proportion, they will share this profit also. Okay, so according to share, the investment of this investments proportion we have to find out. So 2,400 is to 5,200 is to 3,400. It's a reduced form. First of all we have to find out. If you divide this with the 100, you will get it here 24 is to 52 is to 34. Then all these numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then here also divide, if you divide 52 with the 2, you will get it here 2 twos are 4 and 2 sixes are 12. And here 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14. Now 12, 26 and 17 are not divisible by any single number, so the ratio remains same. See here, 12 is to 26 is to 17. So the ratio of investment of Sarita Ben, Aisha and the Meenakshi is 12 is to 26 is to 17. Now we have to find out the profit. So here they took constant P. Okay. So the Sarita Ben's profit is equal to 12P. Aisha's profit is equal to 26P. And Meenakshi's, it is the, that is the, how much? 17P. Okay. So in this way the profit share is there. So first of all, profit, how much they got it? That is 5,500. So here 12P plus 26P plus 17P is equal to how much? That is the 55P. And then here 5,500 is total investment is the 5,500. So P is equal to, sum of this all is equal to 55P. So P is equal to 5,500 upon 55 is equal to 100. Okay. Now we got the constant, that is the value of constant, that is the 100. So here Sarita Ben's profit is equal to, according to share, 12 into 100 is equal to 1,200. Aisha's share is equal to 26P. So here 26 into P's value is 100. So 26 into 100 is equal to 2,600. And similarly, Meenakshi's also profit, we will find it here. Her share of investment is the 17 and profit is 17P. So 17 into 100 is equal to 1,700. Okay. Now we got it here, the each one's profit. Now what is the next question here given to us? That is, we have to find out if they reinvest all the profit, means their investment, original investment and plus profit, if they add and then invest for the next year, then how much is the investment of each, that we have to find out. So first of all, very easy it is. Sarita Ben's capital is equals to, at first she invested 2,400. Okay. And her profit in that year is 1,200 and total investment for the next year is the sum of 2,400 plus 1,200 is 3,600. Then next, Aisha's capital is equals to, Aisha at first year invested 5,200, her profit is 2,600 and then total investment for the next year is the sum of 5,200 and 2,600, that is 7,800. And at last, Meenakshi's capital for the next year is the 3,400 and plus 1,700 is the 5,100. So in this way, the next years also we can find the share of investment if they give the information. So today's here let's discuss inside they gave you. In above example, means Sarita Ben, Meenakshi and Aisha all add their profit to the capital. Okay, and find out the proportion of their share in the capital during following year. So that is the question they gave you. You just solve this also, and with this practice set 39, how many questions are there? Only 5 questions are there. That also you have to solve, and that is your today's homework. So today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you.